Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick and easy rose design using crystal clear acrylic powder and gel polish. The colour I've picked today is Cognac by Pink Diva. I'm going to go in and do 2 coats, curing for 30 seconds in between. I'm then going to use my Pink Diva High Shine No Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to do 1 thin layer on all 5 nails and then cure for 30 seconds. For the sugared look, you're going to need crystal clear powder, a fine line brush, also something to put the gel polish on for your artwork. So I like to start with the inner petal first, so I start with a small line in the middle and then I keep going around and around until you get your desired rose and how big you want it. That's up to you. On the outer petals, I like to put a small point in the middle of the petal just to give it a more realistic look. After you've done that, I like to add small leaves around the rose, so you can put as many or as little as you like. I like to put 2, but you need to remember not to cure this gel because you want it to be wet for the crystal clear powder. Using the crystal clear powder, I'm going to go in and use my cuticle pusher. I find that's the easiest way to scoop the powder, but whatever you've got will work. I then put the crystal clear powder on top of the wet gel, and once I've coated that really well, I'm going to put the nails in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Once you've cured for 30 seconds, I like to grab a scrubbing brush, or if you have a duster, that'll work too, and I like to brush off all the excess powder that's left on the nail. And that's it guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this really simple and easy tutorial on how to do these roses, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!